project, you're going to be needing some jewelry pliers with a wire cutter and a round, the round, I think these are called these round ones. Some chain, some brown beads, any filigree of your choice. You're going to need a clasp and a jump ring. Here, hold on, here you go, jump ring. And you are going to need 8 of these wires. I don't know what they're called because I lost the packaging for the name, but they have a flat tip and where you could slide your jewelry on. You're going to need 8 of these, and you're going to need a needle nose plier, and you're going to need a tape measure. Alright, so let's begin. Oh, you can get these in the jewelry section, so if you ask someone about it, they'll know about it. Alright, most of the stuff is in the jewelry section except for the filigree. I ordered this online. So I made some brown charms. These are 7 of them. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to take your wire and you are going to slide 4 of these beads on. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are glass sea beads. They are brown. So you'll have 4 on your wire. And then you are going to take your pliers. Mine has a cutter on it. If you don't have a cutter on yours, then you're going to find your needle nose plier with the wire cutter on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take about this much off. Yeah, right there. And you're just going to snip it like that. And you can get rid of that piece. And then you are going to take the round part of your pliers and let's get closer. And you're just going to just start to roll it up until you meet your bead. So you'll have, oh, it's not focusing. You'll have something that looks like this, the roundness. If you can sort of see it there, you'll have a loop. Now what you're going to do is, my filigree is about 2 inches wide. So you're going to take the tape measure and you are going to go around your wrist. Mine is about 6 inches. So what I'm going to do is we're going to figure out what 6 inches is, and my wrist is 6 inches, so you're going to take your tape measure and go in half. So it's about 3, and if you want a little wiggle room, you're going to add about 1 inch more, so we're going to make it 4. So you're going to cut your chain to be about 4 inches. So you're going to cut your 4-inch chain, or however big your wrist is. Mine is the 4 inches. Well, 6 inches. And then you're going to cut it the same way we did with cutting the wire for these. So you're just going to snip it off. So now we are going to attach our clasp to our jewelry. So my clasp has a section where you can open it. So you're just going to take your pliers and you are going to open it up a bit. And then we're going to slide this on our chain, one of our chain ends. So you're just going to close it the way you opened it by putting the opening back together. So now that we got the clasp on, we are going to stick Now you're going to take your filigree and you're going to stick it on your wrist, and you're going to bend it to the shape of your wrist so that it fits on here a little better. So now you are going to take your jump ring and you are going to attach it to the little circle right here. And you're just going to open it the same way you did for the opening on the chain for the clasp. So you're going to take it and hold it open a little bit. So just bend it a little bit to get it open. Alright, so I got it open a little bit, and then you're going to slide this on one of your ends of the filigree. Like that. And then you are going to attach this to the other end of your chain by sliding this on. So you're just going to close up the jump ring like we did earlier. So you're just going to pull it back together. Now, if you can either attach this to the filigree, or we could take another jump ring and add it to the end, which I think I might do. So I had trouble getting mine on, so I added 2 extra jump rings to. So I added one more to the jump ring that we had attached to the filigree. So now it's a little looser. Now you can either leave your bracelet like this, or you can add the charms that we made. So we're going to have to get some more jump rings if we decide to put those on. But if you want the charms, you can. If not, then you can leave your bracelet like this. So I might put those on and I might not. So we'll wait. I'll see in a sec if I decide to do that. Now you're going to get your smaller jump ring, and you're going to open it the same way you are going to what we did the other jump rings. So you're going to take one of your pliers and hold it at one end, and you're going to take the other and you're going to pry it open, and then you are going to slide this on one of the links, and then you're going to slide on your beads, charms. And then you're just going to close it back up. And then you're going to do that to the remainder, or how many other ones you want to put on. Your bracelet will look like this. You'll have your dangly pieces here, and then you'll have your filigree up here, and that's what it'll look like. So that's what it looks like dangling from the bottom of my wrist, and that's what the top looks like. And you could flip the bracelet around. So I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you make this bracelet. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.